Hello, welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Alborosie has released a new mini documentary, Alborosie Meets the Wailers United, The Making of Unbreakable. The documentary gives fans an inside look at the production and process of making the album, the seventh studio album by the Italian reggae artist. The album features collaborations by a number of reggae greats, including Beres Hammond, Chronixx, Jah Cure, and Raging Fire. The latest single, Unforgiven, is a reggae interpretation of the 1991 Metallica rock ballad The Unforgiven and draws on the strengths of the Grammy-nominated Raging Fire. The album, Unbreakable, Alborosie Meets the Wailers United, released back in late June, has already reached 6 million streams on Spotify. Alborosie just returned from a 3-month European tour, where he performed at the 25th staging of the European Reggae Festival Rotterdam Sunsplash, which coincided with his 25th year in music. During his performance, Alborosie invited music legends The Wailers and the sound selector King Jammies, and reggae artist Protégé, Kabaka Pyramid, and Dwayne Stevenson. Alborosie is scheduled to depart for his South American tour this autumn. Male models will now get a chance to compete for the top title in the new edition of Pulse's Caribbean Model Search reality TV series. The long-running TV series, which premieres tomorrow right here on TVJ, will highlight male models for the first time in its production. Trademark, statuesque female models and petite models are among the array of competitors in this year's television event, and viewers will be highly entertained by the dynamics and competitiveness of the sexes. The show was shot in location at Malia Braco Resort Village, which was ideal for the activities, challenges, and photo shoots, beach battles, as well as the tough physical pursuits which are in store for the 20 competitors. Outstanding Jamaican supermodel Araine Barrett flew in from New York City to be a judge on the show, whilst Pulse chairman and Caribbean model industry pioneer Kingsley Cooper and fashion director Remy Gordon round out the judging panel. In news overseas, the 2018 American Music Awards nominations are in, and rappers Drake and Cardi B are leading the nominations with 8 nominations each. Drake will compete against Imagine Dragons, Post Malone, Ed Sheeran, and Taylor Swift for the night's top honor Artist of the Year. He's also nominated for Video of the Year for God's Plan, Favorite Male Artist, Pop Rock, Favorite Album, Scorpion, Favorite Song, Pop Rock, Favorite Artist, Rap, Hip Hop, Favorite Album, Hip Hop or Rap, and Favorite Song, Rap or Hip Hop. Cardi B is nominated for New Artist of the Year, Favorite Social Artist, Video of the Year, Favorite Female Artist, Pop Rock, Favorite Artist, Rap Hip Hop, Favorite Song, Rap Hip Hop for Bodak Yellow, Money Moves. Her collaboration with Bruno Mars for the track Finesse is nominated for Favorite Song, Soul R&B, and Favorite Collaboration of the Year. The late rapper XXXTentacion also received 2 nominations, one for Favorite New Artist of the Year and Favorite Album Soul R&B. Rihanna is nominated for Favorite Soul R&B Artist alongside SZA and Boot Up singer newcomer Ella Mai. Fans will have to wait until October 9 to see who walks away with wins this year. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.